Easy tips to quit smoking fast. Are you ready to take control of your health and quit smoking for good? In this video, brought to you by top rehab facilities, we're going to share some easy tips to help you quit smoking fast. Whether you've been smoking for years or just started, these strategies will guide you towards a smoke-free life. Smoking is one of the leading causes of preventable diseases and death worldwide. Quitting smoking not only improves your health but also enhances your quality of life. Imagine waking up each morning with more energy, clearer skin, and the confidence of knowing you've overcome a major challenge. But we know it's not easy, and that's why we put together some practical and effective tips that really work. We'll break down the process step by step to make it as straightforward as possible. We'll cover everything from setting a quit date, identifying and avoiding triggers, using nicotine replacement therapy, to seeking support from loved ones or professionals. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and motivation you need to make a positive change. Stay with us, and let's dive into the first tip on how you can quit smoking quickly and effectively. Tip 1. One of the first and most crucial steps in quitting smoking is to set a quit date. This gives you a clear goal to work towards and helps you mentally prepare for the change. Choose a date that is not too far in the future but gives you enough time to prepare. Ideally, pick a day within the next 2 weeks. Mark this date on your calendar and consider it a commitment to yourself. Inform your friends, family, and co-workers about your quit date so they can support you and hold you accountable. This external support can be incredibly motivating and help you stay on track. Start by gradually reducing your cigarette intake as the quit date approaches. This will help ease your body into the transition and reduce withdrawal symptoms. Use this time to get rid of all smoking-related items like lighters, ashtrays, and cigarettes from your environment. The goal is to create a space that does not trigger the urge to smoke. Remember, setting a quit date is not just about the day itself but about building up to it with a solid plan. Stay committed, and you'll be one step closer to a smoke-free life. Tip 2. Understanding and identifying your smoking triggers is a key step in quitting smoking successfully. Triggers are situations, people, or emotions that make you want to smoke. Common triggers include stress, social gatherings, drinking alcohol, or even certain times of the day. To start, keep a diary of when you smoke and note what you're doing, who you're with, and how you're feeling at those times. This will help you identify patterns and specific triggers. Once you know what your triggers are, you can develop strategies to avoid or manage them. For example, if stress is a major trigger, find alternative ways to relax and cope, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or physical activity. If social situations are a trigger, try to spend time with non-smoking friends or suggest activities that don't revolve around smoking, like going for a walk or having a meal in a smoke-free environment. Changing your routine can also help. If you usually smoke at certain times of the day, plan different activities during those times to keep your mind and body occupied. The goal is to create new, healthy habits that replace smoking. Remember, identifying and avoiding triggers takes practice and persistence, but it's a vital part of your journey to quit smoking for good. Tip 3. Nicotine replacement therapy, or NRT, can be a powerful tool to help you quit smoking by reducing withdrawal symptoms and nicotine cravings. NRT provides a low level of nicotine without the harmful chemicals found in cigarettes, making it easier to quit. There are several types of NRT available, including nicotine gum, patches, lozenges, nasal spray, and inhalers. Each type has its benefits, so you can choose the one that best fits your. For example, nicotine gum and lozenges are great for controlling sudden cravings, while patches provide a steady release of nicotine throughout the day. Using NRT can double your chances of quitting smoking successfully. It's important to follow the instructions on the product packaging and to use the therapy consistently. Combining NRT with other quit strategies, such as behavioral support and avoiding triggers, can enhance your chances of success even further. Keep in mind that while NRT can help with the physical aspect of nicotine addiction, it's also important to address the psychological side. Staying motivated, using stress management techniques, and seeking support from friends, family, or professionals can make a big difference. Remember, nicotine replacement therapy is just one part of your quit plan, but it can be a very effective one. Give it a try and see how it can support your journey to a smoke-free life. Tip 4. Quitting smoking is a challenging journey, and having a strong support system can make all the difference. Surrounding yourself with supportive people who understand your goals and challenges can provide the encouragement and accountability you need. Start by letting your friends, family, and co-workers know about your decision to quit smoking. Explain why it's important to you and ask for their understanding and support. They can help by offering encouragement, celebrating your milestones, and being there during tough moments. Consider joining a support group, either in person or online. Sharing your experiences with others who are going through the same process can be incredibly empowering. Support groups provide a sense of community and offer practical advice from people who understand what you're experiencing. Professional support is another valuable resource. Therapists, counselors, and quit smoking programs can offer personalized strategies and coping mechanisms. Many communities also have quit lines, free telephone services where you can get expert advice and support. Remember, seeking support is not a sign of weakness but a step towards success. Leaning on others can provide the strength and motivation you need to stay committed to your goal. You can overcome the challenges and celebrate the victories on your journey to becoming smoke-free. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards quitting smoking. We've covered some essential tips: setting a quit date, identifying and avoiding triggers, using nicotine replacement therapy, and seeking support. Each of these strategies plays a crucial role in helping you quit smoking quickly and effectively. Remember, quitting smoking is a journey, and it's okay to face challenges along the way. Stay committed to your goal, and don't hesitate to use the resources and support systems available to you. Every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, smoke-free life. We hope these tips have provided you with the knowledge and motivation you need to start your journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you know who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. If you have any questions or need further support, leave a comment below. We're here to help you every step of the way. Remember, you're not alone in this process. Many have successfully quit smoking, and you can too. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your journey to quit smoking. 4.